Hello everyone, I'm Satoshi, the navigator of Tokyo Tokimeki channel. On this channel, we deliver the charm of Japan to people around the world. Today, we'll be focusing on a very special topic, a day in the life of a sushi chef, one of Japan's most iconic traditional professions. Sushi chefs are not just simple cooks, they are the guardians of Japan's food culture. Their workday is long and demanding, yet full of artistry. Today we'll follow the daily life of a veteran sushi chef in his 40s, from morning to night. Let's dive right into his world. He lives in a quiet neighborhood in Tokyo and wakes up at 6 a.m. every day. With over 20 years of experience as a sushi chef, getting up early has become a routine for him.
Getting up early and moving my body helps me start the day right. These quiet moments before heading to the market are important.
His daily route to the market. For sushi chefs, Tsukiji Market is a battleground. It's where they carefully select the freshest ingredients that will define the day's sushi.
Coming to Tsukiji feels like the real start of the day. If I can find good ingredients here, I know my customers will be happy.
At Tsukiji Market, a sushi chef's experience is put to the test. They must expertly judge the quality of the fish, negotiate with brokers, and choose the day's ingredients.
This tuna looks great today. The fat content is just right. My customers will love this.
Back at the restaurant, he immediately starts preparing for the day. The fish he bought is skillfully cut and readied for the lunch crowd. His knife work is precise and reflects years of experience.
Every time I prepare fish, it feels like a battle. The way I handle the knife can change the flavor completely.
When lunch service begins, the restaurant comes to life. Regular customers sit at the counter, eagerly awaiting the sushi prepared by the skilled hands of the chef.
The sushi here is always so fresh and delicious. I'm looking forward to today's meal.
Thank you very much. Today's tuna is especially good, so please enjoy it.
After the busy lunch service, the chef takes a short break. These moments are important for him to recharge and prepare for the evening shift.
This is the time when I can relax the most. I need to rest up for the evening rush.
As dinner service begins, the atmosphere becomes more refined. The customers expect not only fresh ingredients, but also the chef's artistry.
This is today's special fatty tuna. Please take your time and enjoy.
Even after the day's work is done, the chef continues. Cleaning and preparing for the next day is a crucial part of maintaining the quality of the restaurant. After a long day, he heads back home through the quiet streets. Although the work never truly ends, his passion for sushi remains as strong as ever. His day ends as he prepares for another one tomorrow. Each day is a new challenge, and with it, he continues to perfect his craft and deliver the best sushi possible. Today, we followed a day in the life of a sushi chef. Each piece of sushi holds the passion and skill honed over many years. We hope you enjoyed seeing a glimpse into the world of sushi craftsmanship. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give us a like.